Here are my trades for the day. All my trades today were in the euro dollar on the 1 minute chart. My first trade was a short here, and then that got stopped out. Next trade was a long. I exited a third here, a third there, and the last third was at this resistance level. And then I went long on a light size here because of the steep run we had, and I wanted to wait for a little more confirmation. We got it, and that triggered my limit order for 25,000 there. But then they both got stopped out there. And once we bounced off, I decided to long a light size here. Reason why I went light though is because we hadn't broken the previous high, and that got trailing stop here. And once we broke out again, I longed 25 here, and I tightened the stop gain to a break even, which was a mistake. I should have kept my stop gain up here and just trailed my stop. Okay, next trade was a half size short here, and then I added a full size here, and then as we went I tightened up my trailing stop, and the spreads at that time, there was an economic report coming out, I forgot which one it was, but the spreads just jumped to a 10 pip spread and triggered my stop loss there. Otherwise I would have taken profits down here at either this red line or this support level here. But once we broke, I shorted a light size here. Reason why it was light is because we had this green bar. Otherwise I would have done a full position. And then that got stopped out here, and I longed 25k there. Took the profits there at this resistance level, and then I shorted 5,000 here. I went light because we didn't have much confirmation, but I figured we were going to go down. Once we got the confirmation, I added 25, and then they both got stopped out here. I longed 25 here on this resistance break, and then I got stopped out. I go short here on a full position, and then I got trailing stopped there. And then I went short 25k here and got stopped out there. Took a break, and my next trade was a short of 25 here. That got trailing stopped, and then I shorted a third here. I added a third and added another third, so I'm in a full position, and I took profits in the full position here. I didn't have time to, what I wanted to do was take one of these thirds, preferably this one at the top here, and I wanted to set that stop gain and a lot further down and trail the stop with it. But I just didn't get the time to do that, and the stop gain got triggered there. Okay, and my next trades are a short of 25,000 here, stopped out, went long on a light size because we needed to break this resistance level and trend line. That got stopped out. I went short on a light size because wanted to wait for a little more confirmation. We got it, so I added 25. Then I exit that 25 there, left the 5k on the ride, and that got trailing stopped here. Then I went long 5,000 here because this was only a minor trend line break. You know, I was looking for this trend line here, but needless to say, I went light, and I got stopped out there. Then I went long on a light size here, stopped out, went short on a relatively light size, stopped out, went long, stopped out, and then I went long 5,000 here, added 10,000 there, exited the 10,000, and the 5k got trailing stop there. My mistake trading was I should not have made these trades basically after this trailing stop of the 5k. All of these trades in here I should not have made. I should have just taken a break in there.